Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. And just a quick reminder to please do like, subscribe, and share with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps the channel out. All right, today we're doing number 278. If we start with this box, looks like we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here. So 3, 5. And for this column, we're only missing a 2. If we look at this row, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so this is our 9. 3 here, so 1, 3. For this column now, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 and 5 here, so this is our 2. That 5 means this is our 4, 5. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 2 here, so 6, 2. For this box now, we're just missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 1. That 7 means this is our 4 and our 7. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this column now, looks like we're missing a 2. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 3 here, so 8, 3. For this box, well, let's do this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. So to finish out this box, we're missing a 3. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got the 1 there, so 7 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.